Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix background app refresh not working on iPhone in iOS 16.6. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Background app refresh, select allow. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap screen time. On the screen time page, scroll down, tap content and privacy restriction. Turn on content and privacy restriction. Scroll down, tap background app refresh activities. Select allow. Solution number 2. Turn off low power mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap battery. Turn off low power mode. Solution number 3. Reset all setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap general. On the general page, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone. Tap reset. Tap reset all setting. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 4. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap general. On the general page, tap software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Scroll down, tap background app refresh. Background app refresh is working. Thanks for watching this video.